congratulations on the successful mission at the ICJ. We, all Palestinians, all Arabs, all maybe those who love freedom, they stood in front of TVs. Wow. Every single, it's in Palestine, it was like a curfew. Wow. Literally, it was like a curfew.
Yes.
You see nobody in the streets.
Wow.
Every eyes are focused on TV to watch your intervention.
Yes.
It was, you know what happened also, our president, he gathered all of us in front of TV,
Yes.
and we were watching the proceedings of the court and so on. And when you finished your intervention, the South African delegation, everybody in the room clapped, and it was like, you know, of course, the celebration, the sound of blood was much higher than anything else.
Yes.
But you have lifted up the morals.
Yes.
While people were down, depressed, angry, and so on.
Yes.
The intervention was really uplifting the morale of the people. You cheered the hearts of everybody. So, Mr. President, really, not only from the bottom of my heart personally, our president, us in the government, all our teams, the people of Palestine, in Gaza, in Jerusalem, in the West Bank, in diaspora, they thank you, and whatever I say to thank you is not enough. So please, rest assured that you stood in the historical moment with peace and justice, with human rights, with international law, and that you have made these hypocritic countries naked in front of historical moment. So South Africa, we are grateful to you, to your leadership, and I know without your guidance this would not have happened. And thanks to our dear Minister of Foreign Affairs, your team. We know that she works under your guidance, and of course, I know our Minister, he works closely with your team.
Absolutely.
And again and again, I came here without seeing you to thank you. My visit to Addis Ababa could not have happened. So grateful to what you have done, grateful to what you will be doing. I wish you personally the best, good health and success. And I wish that you have served your country in the best shape possible. You came in different and difficult times, but real men, real people, real leaders only appear in difficult times.
Yes.
It's just, you know, if you are right.
Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. We have decided to bring videos on something nobody talks about: African politics, economy, and increasing power. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay tuned.
Tell us what you think in the comment section. Like and share the video, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our African videos. It's the best way to support us.